10 amazing life-saving things about Chinese medicine, old and new. Chinese medicine, both ancient and modern, has contributed significantly to health and wellness worldwide. Here are 10 life-saving aspects of Chinese medicine. Acupuncture for pain relief. This ancient practice helps manage chronic pain, migraines, and even post-surgical recovery. Herbal medicine for healing. Traditional Chinese herbs like ginseng and ginger support immunity, digestion, and inflammation reduction. Cupping therapy for circulation, used to improve blood flow, relieve muscle tension, and detoxify the body. Qigong for longevity, a mind-body practice combining movement, breathing, and meditation to enhance overall health. Moxibustion for immune support. Burning mugwort near acupuncture points stimulates circulation and strengthens immunity. Bear bile research for heart health. Scientists are studying bear bile compounds for potential heart disease treatments. Traditional remedies for respiratory health. Herbs like licorice root and astragalus are used to treat asthma and lung infections. Dietary therapy for disease prevention. Chinese medicine emphasizes food as medicine, promoting balanced nutrition for longevity. Modern integration with Western medicine. Chinese medicine is increasingly combined with modern treatments for cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Holistic approach to mental health practices like acupuncture and herbal therapy help manage anxiety, depression, and stress. Chinese medicine continues to evolve, offering natural and effective solutions for various health challenges.